Hello there and welcome back to the DBMS video series. In this video we are going to discuss about the question set 34. In this video we are going to discuss about adding data into the earlier shoes center database. So we created this database in the previous two videos, and then we created PR diagrams, and then we also created relationships between each and every table. So now what we have to do is we have to head over to our ADSQL, and then what we have to do is we'll have to open that specific table, which is the user type table, and we have to enter the data within it. So I'm going to use insert queries to enter the data. So I'm going to enter all the data by using query method. So we have successfully entered the first set of data. Now let's enter the second set of data within the table. So we have to add 5 cities. So here we can see that all the data has been successfully entered into our table. So now let's go to the next query. So I have pasted the query for all the cities. So Colombo, Kandy, Kurunegala, Matra and Gampaha. So now let us run our query to see the result. So now once I run the query, you can see that we have got some successful messages in our log, in the console log, and now you can see that the data has been entered into our table. So now let's proceed to the next question, which is entering the gender names. So I have already entered the query for that. So I'm going to select the gender table and I'm going to run the query. So once I run the query, you can see that the data has been entered successfully. Now let us enter the user details within the user table. So I have already written a query to enter all the user details within the table. So let us run this query. So let us select the user table and run the query, and we can see that we have all successfully entered the data within the table. So we have also entered the address table. So now let us add the rest of the queries. So we are entering the data within the user table, and then we select the user, and then we are going to run the query. So once we run the query and reload our page, we can see that the data has been entered successfully within our tables, including the foreign key. So last and not the least, we have to enter the system login table. So we have to add those two queries as well. So I have written the query, and now what we have to do is select the system login table and then click the run command, and then you can see that we have successfully entered the data within the table. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video.